So yeah, you can see these welds here on the Flashark header. They look really nice. Burnt in 360 degrees all the way around, as you can see. Pretty much everywhere I've found, the welds are looking pretty nice and shiny and tight. So we're gonna throw this Flashark header on the Samurai Tin top. Pretty easy install, honestly. You just throw a couple bolts, 12 millimeter. Usually you want to clean off all your old gasket residue here. I spent a lot of time doing this. Thankfully it's still pretty clean, so I'm just gonna run it